Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay mensahe ng ating tarot card for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito. Okay? This is a timeless reading, Pisces. So kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood, basta tugma sa'yo, take mo lang. Okay? Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit. Okay? So, reminder lang na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. And again, timeless reading and pwede po to sa lahat ng Pisces na nanonood. Babae, lalaki, LGBT ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine na energy. Kahit sino, kahit ano, kahit kailan, kahit saan. Basta tugma, take lang. Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay mensahe ng ating tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito. Ano po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Mga gabay mensahe niyo po para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. Ayun, there's a 7 of Swords. 7 of Wands. Okay. 7-7. There's something na parang stalking, Pisces. And ito ay someone na blinak mo. Hindi mo kinakausap or pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap ng taong to. May mga blockages, may mga hindrance, may mga limitations na nangyayari. Kasi meron tayo ditong ganyan, okay? So, stop, parang ganun, okay? And there is someone na 7 of Swords. It's either this is someone na may sikreto, may mga, alam mo yun, mga nalaman na informasyon, okay? Or pwedeng you're stalking to this person or this person is trying to stalk to you using online, okay? Social media, and pwedeng naka-block ka or na-block mo siya. Pwede pong ganun, okay? So, pwede po to sa lahat. Oh! So, there's the Empress and there's a King of Cups. There's two different people right here, Pisces. There's the Empress, which is the feminine. There's the King of Cups, which is the masculine, okay? So, pwedeng it's either this is the father of your kids or this is the mother of your kids. Pwedeng may anak kayo, Pisces, kasi meron tayo dito buntis, okay? And there's a masculine energy. So, it's either merong isa sa inyo yung naka-block or blinak mo or wala kayong pag-uusap or something like that. Okay? And or it's either you have a type of situation na kailangan yung mag-usap or you have to protect your relationship about this situation right here. Okay? So, pwedeng may mga basta feeling ko merong couple dito, Pisces. It's either kayo yung naka-boundary sa isa't isa, kumbaga parang separated kayo, okay, na hindi kayo nag-uusap, okay. So, pwedeng meron kayong connection specifically sa bata, okay, or pwedeng buntis ka, Pisces, or pwedeng buntis itong dinidil mo, okay. So, take nyo lang kung saan mag-resonate. So, it's either there is something na limitations or boundaries. Yes, nakikita nyo yan, no? Ayan, Pisces. Blocked. Yan. Nakikita nyo yan. Blocked. It's all been done. Why not? Copy, paste, repeat. People do it all the time. So, meron kang blinak inulit ko lang, or pwedeng blinak ka ng taong to, Pisces, or pwedeng kailangan yung protektahan yung kayong dalawa, pwedeng meron ka ng sariling pamilya, meron ka ng sariling buhay, masaya ka na with your King of Cups or with your the Empress, Pisces, and meron tayo ditong ganyan, okay? So it's either you are protecting your relationship, or merong yung past person mo, Pisces, is trying to communicate with you, okay? And pwedeng blinak mo siya, nakablock ka niya. Pwede pong ganon, okay? Napaka-specific ng reading natin ngayon, Pisces. Okay, so ang bilis ng reading, nakalatag lahat, ano? And yeah, parang napaka-specific ng reading natin ngayon. It's either you are the Empress or you are the King of Cups, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random word. Kung sino, there's an X, 3, 7, 37, pwedeng merong 37, or pwedeng there's a 3 and there's a 7, X, V, flower, I, Y, 9, M, okay, so kuha pa tayo ng isa pa. Ayun, meron tayo ditong dalawa, a friend and country. Okay, so meron tayo ditong tatlong random words, Pisces, which is country, friend, and flower. Tapos meron tayo ditong tatlong numbers, 3, 7, 9, and mga initials, Pisces, is X, I, V, M, and Y. Okay, so take nyo lang kung kanino, kung saan, kung ano yung mag-resonate po. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel, and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!